name's Graham. This is a video I've been meaning to do for a long time. I did this back in during the lockdown with my friend Marcelina. We made a wooden surfboard. This is something she does. She does workshops on doing it. The company's called Piña. This is how mine went down. So, how did the board ride? Well, paddling was the hardest part. If I could do it again, I would add more volume to the deck. The board cruised pretty well because I had a big fat tail on the back, double concave with a flat rocker. It gained a lot of speed, but in your turns, midway through the turn, the board kind of bogged down. I'm not a shaper. There's a few things in my mind I could have done to kind of fix that. However, I rode it as a quad and I've been riding a thruster for many years. Overall, I'm very impressed in how this little board worked. I'd love to do like a 6.0, 6.1 single fin pintail. It's fun shape. If you've never built a wooden board, it's probably one of the most fun things I've ever done in my entire life of surfing. Yeah, it takes a real the board now. So we have it in the rancho. Just wall art, but we'll take it off. We'll rip it again. I have the quad fins in it. I'd like to try some other ones, but yeah. I'm gonna try to start posting more videos to just create content, be creative. I've spent the last few years doing other things besides photography, and there's a part of me that misses it, so this is the solution for me, is just to try to have little personal projects, hence the name Project GFS. Project GFS is the name that I've used since I was doing photography in the late 90s. Anyway,